parents and first graders. Since we will be doing a lot of distance learning over the time that we will not be in class, I thought that having a good math curriculum, something that kids can do online and can easily go on their iPad or computer to complete this, and we chose Splash Math as one of our, well, really the only tool that will be able to track kids' progress while we are away from our students during this time. We have some other math activities that we'll send, but this is something that we will be using mostly to, again, we can set up assignments and we can track students that are using it and track their progress. So this is, feel like this is one of the best tools that we'll be able to implement. So you're going to go to splashlearn.com. All the students in Mr. Brown and Mrs. Shields' class are together. The other first grade teachers, Mrs. Kaler, Mrs. Yankowski, and Mrs. Grant, will be setting up their classrooms, and I'll show you here in just a minute. But you'll click sign in, and you can click class, and then everybody, each class will have their own code. And for Mr. Brown's class, it's I, J, N, C, R, W. And this will be the code to get to all of Mr. Brown and Mrs. Shields' class. But if you are, again, in another first grade class, you'll be able to see your child's name avatar. And when you go in, you can find the name and click on it. So I'm clicking a student from my class. I'm going to type in their lunch number. So their lunch number, whatever lunch number they've had since kindergarten, will get them into their Splash Math login. And once they're here, us first grade teachers are going to keep it all the same for every classroom, and we'll have to-do assignments. There's plenty of extra curriculum ideas, like well, it's basically everything that we've been learning so far. That's the nice thing, I guess, about the timing of all of this, is that all of your students or all of your children have learned everything up to this point. It's really just, we're trying to maintain at this point. We don't want any kids to drop off. You've probably heard of summer slide. We don't want this to be a 6-month slide into next school year in case we are not in school for the next couple of months. So be sure to have your child keep up on this. Again, there is an app to go on, but you're probably just better off going into the browser on your iPad if they have an iPad, or on the computer, just to go to that splashmath.com. So again, once you're here, you should be able to find your to-dos from your teacher, and obviously your kids are earning things for their aquarium in the jungle to make it a little more fun and interesting. A lot of my kids are very used to doing this already, and it might show them further along, but just kind of know that they have been working on it for a while. So again, if you have any questions about anything as we go through this, obviously this is new to everyone, and you know, it's heartbreaking to not have your child with us during this time, but we're going to do our best to allow them to continue to grow and learn. So again, let me know if you have questions. Thank you.